Okay, hello guys. Here's another video. Nope. It's Meghan McCarthy's Ringtones. Look at it. I'm gonna go play some and I'm gonna tell you guys how to get to it. But if you wanna buy all of them, each one is $1.29. Well, this is her ringtone. Here's one. And here's another one. It's hilarious. Oh my god. Mom! Oh my god. Mom! Oh my god. Mom! Oh my god. Mom! And here's another one. It's hilarious. It's my favorite one. And the last one. Oh my god, everybody says, who does he think he is? I just told you who I thought I was. I got. Oh, and here's one. Okay, well, at um at 2 o'clock in the afternoon, I'm buying all of these. The Meghan McCarthy and Jones. Each one costs $1.29. So let's buy them. This is my ultimate favorite one. That's my favorite. Definitely. Well, I don't think Meghan McCarthy is watching this, but if you are, I'm buying these. Because, I went on YouTube. How I found this was, all I did was just go to the app YouTube. I just went to the app YouTube. And, I just didn't search up anything because I watched tons of McCarthy videos. I don't really need to search her up. But I have to right now because I don't really watch her on this, but I watch her on the computer. Meghan McCarthy Ringtones. Okay, Meghan McCarthy Ringtones. Oh, right here. I watched it. Stupid ass. What is the dealio of ads? It's just stupid commercials that you watch before you play a YouTube video.
Absolutely not. I think my future involves telling me something.
August 28th. Cool. A movie's coming out on August 28th. I don't know what it is, but...
I don't want to spend the next 5 years of my life hustling. I want to be paid. We are your friends. We are.
Yeah. What? I'll be your friend. Okay. So. Hi, everybody. I just posted a YouTube video yesterday, and I'm posting it up. Anyways, I just posted a video yesterday, and I'm posting another one today because I have something very exciting to tell you. You may already know if you follow me on Instagram or Twitter. I once follow her on Instagram and Twitter. Go to your iTunes store, click that. Yeah, guys, I'm gonna show you how to get to it. I watched this video, so I know how to get to it. Just go, okay, get onto your phone or whatever, and then if you have one, and then go to your iTunes store, and then you just click the search button, and then you click the search button at the bottom, and then you just click like search for the ringtones, and then you type in Meghan McCarthy, and then see, just type in Meghan McCarthy, and then it shows bunches of her videos. So it says, not videos. If you want to look at all of her, like, go to all.
I can't have a shower and I won't refund. If you want me to follow the penny line, here's leaving comments on the top online, or I'm just saying to my face next time.
Everyone. So if I keep watching it and watching it and watching it, I surely love it. You don't know how much I love it. I'm so excited that I'm buying it. I'm buying it at 2 o'clock and it's only 9:42. A good month that I have to wait till 2 o'clock. I can't wait. And the ringtones of hers, of Meghan McCarthy. And like, if someone calls you or texts you, then you just have to you can buy all of them. You just have to choose whichever one you want to use for like, ringtone and text. But you guys already know which one I'm going to use. I'm going to use...
I can't have a shower and I won't refund. If you want me to follow the penny line, here's leaving comments on the top online, or I'm just saying to my face next time.
But either I'm going to do that one, or... Yep, I don't know which one to choose. Let's go this one. Well, guys, I'm going to end this video. Just don't forget to buy these ringtones. They're awesome. I'm pretty sure I'm getting them. Yeah. They're hilarious. Okay. Well, guys, stop. Please subscribe to my channel. Please like, comment this video. Please make McCarthy watch this video. I am a huge fan. I'm the biggest fan of all time. Watch the videos every single day. Mostly every single day, but yeah, whatever. So, bye!